It's giving tape-in extensions. It's giving micro links. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adama, and today I am bringing you another wig install, and this is from Nadula Hair. And I want to say thank you for sponsoring this video and sending over this beautiful unit. This is their V-part wig, and it is in the body wave is what they sent me, but I did straighten it. And when I tell you guys, this hair is really nice. Like, it's really soft. It's not the density is perfect. I'll leave the density in the description box. I'm not sure what the density is, but I will leave it in the description box. If you want to see how I installed it, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get right into it. So let's go.
So here's the packaging and a few things that came with the wig. It came with a satin bag, which I loved. They also threw in this cute satin robe that you see in this clip. Here is a close-up of the cap construction. It is their upgraded rose neck cap. Very comfortable, breathable, and definitely one of the best things about this wig.
So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. My hair is already sectioned off. This feels good. It's snug. It's not too big. I feel like it's laying flat. Oh, this is about to be nice. Alright y'all, so this is a better look of the hair. It's really pretty, and like, it is very comfortable. Like, I literally feel like I don't have a wig on my head. The breathable cap, it really makes a difference. I literally can touch my scalp, I can scratch my scalp. It just feels so good. Like, it's light. This wig is very lightweight. This is how long it is on me. I am 5'4", but it is very comfortable. But we're gonna go for a straight look. I might post some inspiration pictures. I'm gonna post some inspiration photos of what I'm going for, but I just want like either a bone straight. I might bump the ends. I just want a very natural look. So let's get into straightening this hair. So I'm gonna take my heat protectant and I'm just going to spray a little bit on this hair. going to straighten the leave out, and I am going to push this hair back. I've already put my heat protectant on my leave out. I use the Mizani heat protectant. It is the Mizani Thermostrength. Been using this for years. I love that. And I've already put that on my leave out, but what I am gonna do is use some of this wax stick just for my hair, my edges. I'm gonna do the back first because we want to cover our tracks. This way. My hair is here and the wig is here. Look at the body. V part. Run and get it. V part, run and get it. Tape ends. Are these tape ends? Come on now. Come on now.
So now I'm just going in with my big barrel curler and just curling in the ends. It's really going to give me that finished look that I was going for.
So ladies, this is the final look. I am loving this unit. I am loving this wig. Y'all know I say unit in reference to wigs, and wigs, it's all interchangeable. I just feel like unit is cuter. It's not so like wiggy. Unit, it's a unit. When I tell you I love this unit, I love this unit. One, I love this unit because one, it's the V part. It's flat. It's perfect size. It's not too big. The cap construction is really what has me like loving this unit. It is the rose net. It's a new I guess innovation that they have. It's called a rose net cap. I'll try to leave a clip here, but it has a netted cap, so you literally can put your hands through it. I can get to my scalp right now, like I'm touching my scalp. And so it's very breathable, it's comfortable, and I love that about this unit. And it's lighter. Like I literally feel like I don't have anything on my head. The density is perfect. I'll leave the density in the description box. I'm not sure what the density is, but I will leave it in the description box. If you are like a straight natural, or you're natural, or you're not, you're relaxed, you can have your hair in a low bun, leave your hair out at the top and straighten it and just blend this right in. Like, it doesn't take long. I love it. I keep putting my hands through it because it's, I mean, there's no tangling. It's a beautiful wig. Period. This is the end of this video. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, I want to say thank you for supporting my channel, and I'm going to be bringing you guys more videos like this. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go over to my social media accounts. I will put it down here. My Instagram and my TikTok is the Adama Conte. Go ahead and follow me on those social media platforms. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.